As we've talked about in previous videos, Crescent aims to be a start-to-finish manufacturing solution from the earliest design phase all the way through full production. But many of our customers already own an injection molding tool and are simply looking to transfer that asset to a new molder. So to support those customers, we have developed a proven strategy to onboard tool transfers while still leveraging our tooling expertise. When a tool transfer request is received, we'll put together a 3-step proposal that helps us ensure a consistent and efficient transfer process and ultimately produce a high-quality part when all is said and done. Phase 1 is to onboard each mold. This includes assigning an ID to each tool before thoroughly inspecting and cleaning the tools, which prepares them for initial sampling. After we complete our inspection and thorough cleaning, Phase 2 is to develop what we call a decoupled molding process. Decoupled molding is simply a scientific approach to injection molding that we use here at Crescent to produce a consistently high-quality part. This includes establishing a repeatable and validated process where we'll compare the parts that we produce to the acceptable parts from the previous molder. This comparison of the customer's last article inspection and our first article inspection helps to identify any potential defects and whether they are a result of the process itself or the tool. Based on these findings, we can then have conversations with the customer to help them decide whether an updated tool is necessary or if the parts that we are able to produce with the current tool fall within the required part parameters. Typically, new tooling is not necessary, and customers will simply update their tooling documentation and drawings to reflect the parts that tool produces. Once the customer accepts our first article inspection and has updated their documentation, we are then ready to move on to the third and final phase, which is process validation. We use our 1061 protocol, which was developed here at Crescent to ensure that our process parameters adhere to ISO 13485 standards. And again, by developing and validating these process parameters, we can consistently produce a high-quality part. Once the customer approves these OQ parts, we then deem that tool ready for production and transfer it to our production facility. Overall, it's a fairly simple process that has been tested and proven over and over through hundreds of tool transfers that we have performed here at Crescent. If you'd like to learn more about the tool transfer process or the other manufacturing capabilities that we offer, we'll leave some helpful resources down in the description. And of course, don't hesitate to reach out to us to learn how we can help bring your injection molded part to life.